Foi Baile Buadáin bhéin ag gé Craobh Laighin a chabhas cúideog, as chuird leis a chabhas naidjog. A fór na Peil lia treis le bóca a Craobh Laighin le blianta beag nuas, as bhí Baile Buadáin mar rana crisínta bócha ríist an líana. Ach le bontáiste baile có bartí Craobh Dennis, an aireolt leis an Tulach Mhór iad a chlí lena gé Craobh Peil Laighin a hrisint. Má darmad donacha a Montrose ruta de Leathcheannais Laighin.
Brandú orna Tullamh Mhór tá bertachas lína lechúil Cormac Egan's John Forlan go taidir chundaíocha Cillian Borcadol chun na hastrala a mórach pas bún chuoine a chuntasa Niall Forlan and Harry Plunkett dáintearach dómh siúd. Wantil Baile Buadáin the raw ahrú dental tag an Ryan Baines is Patrick Dunleavysteach and Art Shane Clayton agus James Madden. Tá Cén Darcy do lámhád a Lorna Porca as fechar na Zerga Pascal Ross McGarry's Ryan O'Dwyer san tosathe tá si teo cumsach máin siad chats. Cníir a furfan seo. Baki chrochúil glanisce. Tá Lorna Tira Cormac Egan and Johannes was an Shelif again. Trust the Pork of Niall Forlan, a Banner's Brook, Niall Forlan, or there's Niall Forlan, what's a hauling a gig, head score. What's a word in Baile? Nathan Shelif Forthaka, Connie Pascal and Shaw. That's just easily a shoot. It's Gavin. Gavin took him count on him to land at the right. It's Roy Gavin is Capia George, such a fudge Gavin O'Reishak, Strada, Chancey McGarry, so cold score to Ross McGarry. Well, Heineken Gluchin, Lewis, Couple Taslov, Skippy, I was there, Ross McGarry is dead, Craobh Ishel, Craobh. Shelvach that's Reach, Dwyer Roy, so Chancer over Darrico, oh, Ryan Pascal Vichas, we know we're cool, a cushy hard thrust on. Tulach Mhór agus a fhui láthart a mostart ag Curtha Lachlíog tan Shelif Fortaríseacha skillin na soccerúil tá an sin beidir go mach Heimer Halgrimson Cynal tan Shelif Fós acha Pascal na Sharai what is Ryan O'Dwyer in gear all in Ryan O'Dwyer all in Tulach Mhór just scored a test of go dóte hosa siad go mahan se hocht a mostart glacha umláin glacha Baile Buadáin an seo, Sean Chancenish. Is sin búteigh Luke Plunkett agus bhí sé sin na testá. Cordas. Is it the teachta ríist. Tasca Ryan, Cluiche to Joe Ryan O'Dwyer. Will se tucha chun talún, cheapan go bhfuil. Agus má tás, kick éire give us on. Baile ríist, bhí sé tíbiste. Bhín Shelif aige, ja, cur cosise. Kick éire give us on. Is that Colin Pascal? Your Ulster can count your Woolas. Fox and Shersolis and Leah to Henchistach. Alling again, shoot. Alling, August Zanish. Bernamore in the corner. Pulbarda, current, throw me here. Kick out to Cén Darcy. Guy for noise. I give her to come out. Can't you kick out the Rigas? Loosed it to talk. A Baile Buadáin to her boss. The Ryan O'Dwyer reached. Ron Tuthach, Kittog an Chríneige. Catcherish Doris Sweeney toward Foyle in a Kittog, will he head, Brot or Ushtafek Ogan Tog, Jevon, a Doris Sweeney. Oh, Droch fast and Shelif Fuckawahog, Turshash and Chancenish, come show her of Rehunsi, Curtha Lachlí, Chachtarísh. For the Ross McGarry, for Shankulni's Luha, Shantigadish Colin, Deireadh Hara Traston, Wozga Dasiga. Is galore the dinner, like a Tulach Mhór a chop. I should go more can zero. Fun clash with the Niall Forlan, for that Canjas the gate last, or Canjas, Fortunishiga. By what needs more dish in the Tastal Waha. Shelvach is Harry Plunkett. Harry Feckerpulin, Varnish is Neil Moran. And we're just Sean Chant better than on the Antawa to goal for it. Clontamach chin, Luke Burke, Shillam Hogan, Eruchter Derry. Agus buna Hugh O'Sullivan Gama. Michelle Vakarish, Brian Pascal. Just the Mach shot. With Ryan O'Dwyer. Ryan Kittoga Green. So she had Ryan force a Gareth Shachin. Agus Aga hauling in Ryan spot. Craobh O'Hain is on Fellador and Latshot. He didn't catch free. Cén Darcy teachta Johannes. And the guy with Berna on to Lennox Lesh. Cén Darcy lena hittog or Cén Darcy har trust on. Má be score tilting dinner be can tilting Cén Darcy in yo. Now though you're not straight to the boats are got slachter a Craobh Locklear and Joe.
We appreciate all supporters who stay off the pitch at the end of this game, please.
I think we came down here knowing we were going to be facing a real battle against a really good Tulach Mhór side. So first half I think we got off to a good start and came into half time really well. Second half we have a lot to work on basically from especially that first 15-16 minutes we know we have a lot to work on. It's great to be back in a Leinster final. I think everyone that starts this competition wants to get to a Leinster final. When you get that far, you just want to get up to the final and perform on the day, and hopefully we can do that.